student, today we are going to learn what is lathe. What is the function of a lathe? Lathe was the first machine tools for metal cutting, shaping metal or wood. Lathe is called father of all machine tools. Lathe produces mainly cylindrical surfaces. The work is clamped in a chuck or in a faceplate or in between life center and dead center. The cutting tool is fixed in the tool post, mounted on a movable carriage. This is carriage, movable carriage. The cutting tool can be fit into the work either lengthwise, that means lengthwise, that horizontal lengthwise, or crosswise. Fit means apply pressure against job or work. Lathe is versatile machine tools because a number of machining operation can be done by lathe, such as turning operation, facing operation, taper turning operation, drilling, reaming, champering, thread cutting, knurling, etc. So, a lathe removes undesired material, that means removes unnecessary material from a rotating workpiece. Material removed in the form of chips with the help of a cutting tool, mainly single point cutting tool, which is fit against the work either longitudinal or crosswise to make the work to the required shape and size. Fit means apply pressure against job or work. Longitudinal fit means across x-axis বরাবর, and crosswise fit means y-axis বরাবর. Okay,